I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterfly.
Bread and butterflies.
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay, so before starting the video, I want to let you all know that this video was shot on 2023 August, and that time it was monsoon when I visited Zuko Valley. So I don't know about the situation now, how is it? So this was, yeah, almost 8 to 7 months ago, and I'm very lazy to upload my vlogs. So yeah, this is the reason why this is coming up so late after 8 months, but I want to share my experience how it was. So let's get started into the vlog, and I'll show you all how the true experience is. Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are heading out for our trek. Today is the first day of the Zuko trek, and now we will be heading out. It's around 7:30 right now, तो हम अभी जाएगा. पता नहीं कैसा होने वाला है because the weather is gloomy, the weather is like a little bit wet type of thing. It's not sunny, और sun आने का कोई आभाव तो है नहीं. You can see outside already बहुत सारे clouds हो रखे हैं. तो I hope कि हम safely जाके पहुँचे. हमारा breakfast हो गया है. Now we are just waiting for the guides and to get our sleeping bags and lunch. फिर उसके बाद हम ये सब निकलेंगे और हमें गाड़ी 1 किलोमीटर to the base तक हमें छोड़ के आएगा. So let's get started. Bye bye. See you all. So basically this is the night before our trek started, and we are all seated here to have our dinner. And this is a homestay. I'll give their link, you can check it out. This is Atho homestay that we have booked through our travel agency, and they serve really good food. I mean, very good, and their homestay is very, very, very comfortable. I loved it at all. Now most of my videos are gonna be voiceover because I'm very shy to talk in front of camera, and that is a very a phobia that I can't come out of. But I am really trying to go out of my comfort zone and record while talking in front of camera. But yeah, for now let's avoid that and have our tasty dinner. So I don't know why they always put less salt in dal and all this, but this is me having extra amount of salt all the time whenever I eat. But it was really warm and nice. It was like just like living in your own room, and it was so fun eating together with everyone you don't know, but then you're getting to know each other. But these trips like this are very much memorable, so I hope someday you people go and see and make a lot of friends. I love. So here at 7 a.m. in the morning, we are all geared up and then carrying our sleeping bags, counting how many we are to go get ready for our trek. So finally हमारा car आता है, and this is the car we're gonna go because रास्ता बहुत खराब है till the base camp, so we have to go in this. But then it's a different experience to enjoy all these rides, and I really loved it. And ये हमारे सुंदर सुंदर परियास enjoying the ride. 1 2 3 yay. And this is our guide Lipika. She's so nice, and all the way she'll guide us till Zuko our trek gets over. Let's go. By the way, the view, the gloomy weather and everything was so nice until we face rain, of course. But then by now everything was very smooth. So यहाँ पे we have to, it's a checkpoint where we have to I forgot, but I feel like this is the place where we had to register something. But then our trip was already decided, and our agency already booked it, so we didn't have to get down of the car. Guys, Zuko tracking first viewpoint में. Oh my, देखो the condition of us, the condition of our
So like starting from here, it will be a stretch of 400 meters around approx. It will be Kacha Road, okay? Then from there we will start the hiking, the trekking, the uphill wala, okay? So it will take you around, for normal trekkers it takes around 45 minutes. So for us, let's take it 1 hour, okay?
How much you have to go up?
800 meters.
800.
Then we'll reach the top, and then after reaching the top, everything is plain, okay? But then it's plain, but then it's mushy, so your shoes are going to get dirty, okay? So we have enough water at the base camp to wash off your shoes, okay? So don't worry about your shoes getting wet or dirty. And while going up for first time checkers, don't drink too much water, okay? Just take one, two sips and then keep heading. Don't gulp down the whole bottle. You won't be able to walk properly.
So after getting our instructions clear from our big boss, we are all headed apna Burya Bastar leke all the way to Zuko Valley. Let's go.
चल रहे हैं हम towards the base camp.
तो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए हमको पूरा आधा घंटा से ज़्यादा लगा. तो यहाँ से पूरा अप हिल स्टार्ट होगा हमारा. तो दिस वॉज जस्ट द स्टार्टिंग, जहाँ पे मैं अभी भी टायर्ड नहीं हुआ था. आई वॉज डूइंग वेरी वीडियोज़ एंड ऑल वेरी मच. बट यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए भी बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े जैसे लग रहे हैं अभी, बिकॉज ये इतना स्ट्रेट था, अप था. इट्स वॉज लाइक ऑन अ वे टू हेवन लिटरली. और देखो हमारे शक्ल सब पसीने से घिसे पिटे. वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रीच द हेवन वी हैव थॉट ऑफ इन आवर माइंड. और रास्ता तो देखो, एनीवन हु वांट्स टू गो अभी से देख लो कि कैसा है वो ज़ुको, वो हेवनली जगह पहुंचने से पहले कितना पापड़ बेलना पड़ता है, कितना ट्रैकिंग करना पड़ता है. गेट इट.
Every bit of this scene is worth the penny, guys. Look at it.
तो देखो, now I have actually started my walk towards the Zuko Valley. But इससे पहले there comes one viewpoint जहाँ पे we are allowed to rest for some time. So वो वाला we already passed and I didn't shoot that part. So यहाँ पे this is the actual way after almost climbing that 800 meters of trek for more than 2 hours. This is the point where we reach. So यहाँ से पूरा straight रास्ता शुरू होते हैं. But still me being happy.
Happy day. ये बोनस सिंह तीसरा दे. Zoom खाई दे. आती है ना zoom खाएगा ना. Akshay Kumar. Oh, look at the view behind me. It's worth every penny. Na, 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 na. Huh?
So basically this is the only sole reason why we go Zuko Valley, to see this lush green scenery. And apart from all the peep pops of the cities, this was like a get through out of all those hectic days that we spent.
Here comes the buy of many. Terry.
So I have decided to separate this vlog into 2 parts, where in the next part I'll show how how beautiful down the valley is. तो वहाँ पे दिखाएगा, and this is us reaching the point. तो next video में दिखाएगा all the experience of us getting down the real valley, showing you all how it actually is.
4 hours trek, we have finally reached on the top the destination. It's breathtaking. I'll show you all guys, but now I gotta go have lunch and take rest. Bye bye. Ego, ay jo to na khai hamba di. Te ne 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 ne.
Am dikin nu gya bas kang.
Te ne ne ne. Ay bas kang ti, kang kaya bongo.